Ever wondered why some people seem to grow faster in their careers than others? What's their secret? It's not magic, it's continuous learning and adaptability. In today's fast-changing world, the most successful professionals aren't the ones who know everything. They're the ones who never stop learning. And guess what? You can start right now without needing a fancy degree or a big budget. Start with affordable learning platforms. You don't need lakhs for quality education. Websites like YouTube, Coursera, Skillshare, and Udemy offer free, top-notch courses and at budget-friendly prices, from coding to presentation. You name it, they got it. Focus on high-demand skills. Today, companies want more than just degrees. Skills like Python, data analysis, emotional intelligence, and digital marketing are hot right now. Learn what's trending and get ahead of the curve. Network like a pro. Talk to seniors, attend webinars, and join career groups. One random conversation could lead to a workshop or a mentor who changes your path. Don't just learn, implement. Doing internships, freelance work, or even side projects lets you apply your skills in real life. That hands-on experience, it's gold for your resume. Celebrate your wins. Finished a course? Earned a certificate? Don't hide it. Share it on LinkedIn. Update your resume. Feel proud. These small wins build your big success story. The formula is simple. Keep learning. Stay curious. Grow constantly. You don't have to figure it all out alone. Visit www.myjobfriend.com, your all-in-one career partner, with the tools, tips, and training to fast-track your journey. Register now and take control of your future. And hey, follow and subscribe to our channel for more career tips and daily motivation. Because your dream job, it's not just a dream anymore, it's a plan in progress.